Jizhang Hirpao Electric Co. Ltd. specialized in the development and production of high-quality switches and sockets, with 9,000 square meters of production workshop and more than 150 workers. It is the source factory of track socket, RD, production and sales in one. Here, you can see the whole production process of track socket, workshop with machine and manual assembly lines, assembly of track and adapters, testing, packaging is done here. In recent years, Hirpao has continued to expand its automated production plant for product optimization and iteration, introduced automatic packaging machine, automatic cutting machine, automatic copper straightening machine, laser printer and a series of advanced facilities and equipment. The mechanization of the workshop has greatly increased production capacity. Delivery time is also guaranteed. The workers are masters with an average of more than 5 years of experience. Mature craftsmanship. Jizhang Hirpao Electric Co. Ltd. has professional RD engineers and production line, always responding quickly to satisfy customers' needs.